Does auto start-stop really wear out your engine? Or is that just another car myth? Some say it damages the battery, others think it burns more fuel than it saves. And then there's the big one. Does it leave you stranded? We're breaking down 9 of the biggest myths about auto start-stop, and what we found will surprise you, especially myth number 5. It reveals a hidden feature that prevents battery failure, and most drivers don't even know it exists. Skip this, and you might keep believing the myths. Let's dive in. Myth number 1. Auto start-stop systems wear out your engine. The average engine cranks 50,000 times in its lifetime, but modern start-stop systems, they're built to handle over 300,000 restarts without added wear. Still, many drivers believe start-stop is grinding their engine to an early death. That couldn't be further from the truth. Here's why. Most engine wear happens during a cold start, when you fire up your car in the morning. But there's an easy way to reduce this wear, and we'll get to that in a moment. Cold starts cause the most wear because oil has not fully circulated yet. For a few seconds, metal surfaces rub together without proper lubrication, creating friction that slowly eats away at the engine. But here's the key difference. Auto start-stop only activates when your engine is already warm. By then, oil is flowing, parts are coated, and restarting at a red light is more like hitting pause than a full reboot. Let's look at some numbers. Studies have shown that engines equipped with auto start-stop systems exhibit no extra wear even after 100,000 test cycles. That's like stopping at 100,000 red lights over the engine's life. If you make about 10 stops a day, it adds up to nothing significant. Additionally, modern engines are built differently to accommodate this technology. They feature reinforced bearings, stronger starter gears, and upgraded batteries. Even AAA tested this system and found that auto stop-start engines last just as long as regular ones. Still not convinced? Ask yourself why luxury brands like BMW, Mercedes, and Audi equip their high-performance models with auto start-stop. If it caused damage, would they risk their million-dollar reputations? Of course not. Before we move to the next myth, here's a pro tip. Since cold starts cause the most engine wear, using a high-quality synthetic oil makes all the difference. They flow 38% faster in cold temperatures. And if you dislike the auto start-stop system, most cars let you turn it off. But that means believing in the second myth on our list. Myth number 2. Auto start-stop increases fuel consumption. Idling for just 10 seconds wastes enough fuel to drive the length of a football field. Auto start-stop prevents that waste by shutting off the engine when stopped for more than 7 seconds. According to a Society of Automotive Engineers study, auto start-stop systems can improve fuel economy by up to 7.27% on standard city driving tests and up to 26.4% in heavy urban traffic scenarios. Now, you might wonder, doesn't restarting the engine require a burst of fuel? Yes. But the amount is minuscule. Consumer Reports tested multiple vehicles and found that every single one got better mileage in stop-and-go traffic with start-stop enabled. In fact, Edmunds testing showed fuel economy improvements ranging from 2.9% to 10.9%, depending on driving conditions and vehicle models. If it increased fuel consumption, manufacturers wouldn't invest in it. Diesel trucks, too, reap the rewards. A Ford F-150 with this system can save up to 90 gallons of fuel per year, which is like getting a free tank every 4 months. Pro tip, if the engine shutting off feels jarring, try this. Ease into your stop with gentle braking and maintain light pressure on the pedal. Most systems won't activate unless you press too hard, so your car will still stop smoothly without cutting the engine. Myth number 3. Auto start-stop causes delays when accelerating. Ever worried that your car might lag when the light turns green? Some claim auto start-stop causes delays, but the truth flips that idea on its head. First, your engine isn't asleep when it shuts off. The second you lift your foot off the brake, the system kicks in, firing up the engine before pressing the gas. By the time your foot hits the accelerator, you're already moving. Think back to older vehicles. vehicles, which did take their time cranking up. Modern systems, however, are built for speed. Heavy-duty starters, smart batteries, and even fuel injection preload the engine for an instant restart. This combination ensures that most restarts occur in just 0.3 seconds. So fast, you barely feel it. Here's another neat feature. Many modern cars detect urgency. If you brake hard and accelerate quickly, the system keeps the engine running, ensuring no delays. If your car still struggles to accelerate, it might be due to other issues. You should check out our video on 11 symptoms of a bad throttle body. Myth number 4. Auto start-stop technology is only for hybrid vehicles. Wrong. Not even close. Hybrids didn't invent auto start-stop. They just made it famous with silent restarts. But gas-powered cars have been using it for decades. The 1983 Volkswagen Polo Formel E had it. Even the 1974 Toyota Crown featured an early version. This isn't new, it's just everywhere now. Over half of new gas-powered cars come with auto start-stop. Trucks like the Ford F-150, SUVs like the Jeep Wrangler, and even muscle cars like the Dodge Charger. So why do people think it's only for hybrids? The answer is simple. Hybrids with electric motors restart almost silently. Gas cars rely on high durability starters and advanced batteries. And here's the kicker. Trucks benefit the most. Big engines burn more fuel at idle. Auto start-stop can save truck owners up to $500 a year in gas. Ever met a Chevy Silverado driver who brags about fuel savings? Now you know why. Soon, nearly 80% of gas-powered cars will have auto start-stop. Myth number 5. Auto start-stop damages your battery. Did you know that most start-stop systems won't activate unless the battery is at least 70% charged? That's because modern cars prioritize reliability over fuel savings, ensuring your engine only shuts off when it's 100% safe to restart. Here's how it works. Every vehicle with auto start-stop comes with a battery sensor and an advanced energy management system. These continuously monitor the battery's state of charge and overall health. If the system detects a weak battery, it automatically disables auto start-stop to prevent any risk of leaving you stranded. And if your battery is nearing the end of its lifespan, the system deactivates start-stop long before it fails completely. This gives you plenty of warning to replace the battery before it affects your ability to start the car. Pro tip: if your start-stop system suddenly stops working, it's often a sign your battery is aging, not that the system drained it. Use a multimeter to check the voltage. A healthy battery should read 12.6 volts or higher. Below 12.4 volts is weak, and under 12 volts means it's time for a new one. Always replace with an equivalent AGM or EFB battery designed for start-stop technology. Myth number 6. Start-stop systems use inconsistent standards, leading to reliability issues. Automakers don't throw parts together and hope for the best. Although start-stop systems may work differently across brands, they meet strict efficiency and emission standards, such as Euro 6. Luxury cars use high-tech starter generators, while compact cars rely on reinforced starters. Despite their different setups, they aim for better fuel economy without sacrificing reliability. Every system is tested to handle thousands of stop-start cycles in real-world conditions. Automakers won't risk recalls over bad designs. These systems are built to work smoothly with the engine, transmission, and onboard computers. And here's something most drivers don't realize. Start-stop systems adjust to your driving. They check the battery, engine temperature, and even air conditioning load before shutting off the engine. That's why the same car may act differently in summer and winter, which brings us to the next myth. Myth number 7. Auto start-stop systems fail in extreme weather. Ever been stuck in a heat wave or freezing cold and worried your car wouldn't restart? You're not alone. A lot of drivers think auto start-stop systems struggle in extreme temperatures, but here's the truth. They're designed to adapt. Start-stop doesn't just cut the engine at random. It constantly checks engine temperature, battery charge, cabin climate, and even outside weather before making a decision. If conditions aren't right, it won't activate. Here's what that looks like in real life. In freezing cold, if the engine is too cold to restart efficiently or shutting it off would drop cabin heat too much, the system stays off. In extreme heat, when the AC is working hard to keep you cool, the engine keeps running to maintain airflow. Myth number 8. Start-stop takes too much control away from the driver. Feels like the car is making decisions for you? So did power steering. Until drivers realized it made things easier, not harder. Start-stop isn't about taking control. It's about saving fuel. Studies show that idling for more than 10 seconds burns more gas than restarting the engine. That's why automakers designed these systems to kick in only when the conditions are right. And no, it's not like stalling at a green light. Start-stop is designed to be smooth. Sensors check engine temperature, battery charge, air conditioning load, and brake pressure before shutting off. The second you lift off the brake or turn the wheel, the engine restarts. No lag, no hesitation. Modern cars already handle small decisions such as automatic headlights, rain-sensing wipers, and lane-keeping assist. Start-stop technology works the same way. It adapts to your driving and runs in the background. Myth number 9. Auto start-stop wears out engine oil faster. Some say frequent stops and starts to break down oil, but does it? Let's clarify this. Engine oil wears out due to heat, contamination, and oxidation, not just start-stop cycles. Modern synthetic oils are designed to handle frequent restarts while maintaining proper lubrication. That's why automakers recommend low-friction, high-quality oils for these systems. And here's something most drivers don't realize. Start-stop engines use advanced oil pumps, even when the engine shuts off. Lubrication keeps flowing. This prevents dry starts and reduces extra strain on the oil. Are you worried about oil wear? Just check the oil cap. It usually lists the right oil type. Use API-certified synthetic oil designed for start-stop systems. For the best protection, change it every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, or sooner in extreme conditions. Now that you got to this point, here's our bonus tip for those who hate the system. If your car resets the auto start-stop system every time, that's frustrating, but there are ways to disable it permanently. Let's break it down. First, a memory module is the easiest fix. It plugs into your car's OBD2 port and remembers your last setting. Every time you start the engine, it disables auto start-stop automatically. No more pressing buttons. Another option is reprogramming the ECU. Some mechanics can modify the software to turn off the feature permanently. It's a one-time fix, but may void your warranty. For a DIY approach, disconnect the hood latch or battery sensor. Many systems rely on these to engage start-stop. Just be aware. Some cars may throw a warning light. If you prefer a quick trick, just increase electrical load. Running the defroster, AC, or headlights can prevent shutdowns. And if all else fails, just press the button every time. It's not perfect, but at least it works. And that's a wrap. 9 auto start-stop myths busted. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more car-saving tips. But before you go, don't miss our next video. Never start your car like this. It could save you from rookie engine mistakes.